Okay, we're getting all of our inventory in. Syrups, cups, all kinds of stuff. So, first drink that was requested from my needy customer. Wonder if you can guess who it is when I make this for you. So we're not officially set up in the truck yet, but I can make this Gummy Worm lemonade with what we got. So, I wonder if you're gonna be able to guess who my first customer is. Here he comes. What am I making here, buddy?
Worm drink.
Tell the camera.
Hi.
So my pumps came in, but they were for the other brand. So I am improvising till this brand's pumps come in. And we know exactly how many ounces that is in tablespoons.
Your lemonade.
So we got this. Well, first, what I want to do is give you a little special.
Mom, I saw
What color? Pick a color. Don't touch it with your hands.
I want blue.
Blue. All right. Gotta get that garnish in there. Let's get him in there. Okay, let's start with that.
What about the lemonade?
Okay, wait a minute. Now, this boy is sweet enough, so I think I'm gonna need as much syrup at the bottom. Oh, what does that look like?
Worm drink.
Yeah, okay. Very nice. Now we'll give you a couple more wormies.
Green.
Green. And how about a yellow one?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, my first customer. I don't have my straws in yet, but we're getting there. Take a sip.
Yummy?
What do you think?
How's it taste?
Bye.
Bye.